Do you also struggle with lashes that grow down? This is how my lashes look when I've done nothing with it. And this is how my lashes looked after using Nanolash. So I use this lash lift kit and it only has 3 steps. You first clean your lashes so it's free from oils and makeup. Then you decide on which silicone form you want to use. Cut it into size and stick it on your eyelid with the glue in the package. And hold it onto your eyelid until it gets sticky. In the toolbox you got these handy combs. And you'll be needing these to separate the lashes and comb them up for the curl. And then we're already at step 1. Put a layer of step 1 solution onto your lashes and let it sit for 7 to 10 minutes. After it's 7 to 10 minutes, you wipe it off with a clean applicator. And then you're already at step 2, where you have to apply a neutralizing lotion. And just like step 1, you have to leave it on for 7 to 10 minutes. Then you wipe it off again with a clean applicator. And you're already at step 3. The final step is a Keratin Booster, which is a nourishing serum. And then you have to leave on for 7 to 10 minutes again. After a wait, you can wipe everything off with a wet cotton pad. Of course, repeat the steps on the other eye. And I'm already so in love with the results. Look how pretty and lifted they are. And this is how the lashes look after 24 hours with mascara on. Again, this was the before and this is the after. Do you also want these results? Make sure to order your lash lift kit from Nanolash.